Yay! It's a new day and we got to get ourselves moving, right? We got to get those wiggles out. So let's get started with our good morning song and get into our circle time. Ready? Let's do some circle time. Here we go. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Let's do a new move. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Down. Our day is beginning. There's so much to do. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you and you and you and you. Blow a kiss. All right, friends, you know we have one more day of these counting cards, so let's get into it. I know that my friends can tell me right away how many sunshines there are here. That's right, 2 or dos or du, right? Depending on what language you're, or zwei for German. If you have a different language than I've mentioned already, can you put how to say 2 in your language down in the comments below? I'd love to hear it. All right, box number 2, we have some, it's cloudy weather. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 clouds. All right, I want you to count up how many rainbows you see in box number 3, and then shout it out. Come on, I know you got this. Who said 3? Sorry, you're wrong. Who said 10? Nope, that's not it either. Who said 5? One whole hand. You got it right. Kiss your brain. Mwah! Yes. And our flowers. Let's see how many there are. Let's count in Spanish. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. And if you remember from sign language, 8 would be, right? Let's count in sign language up to 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. All right. Nice job, friends. Well, we're at the calendar. Let's see. Yesterday, take a step back, people. Yesterday was Wednesday, December 1st. Today, jump into today. Jump. Jumped in today. Today is Thursday. Good job with that TH. December 2nd, because 2 comes after 1, right? 1, 2. December 2nd. Very good. And what's our year? You're so smart. 2021. Nice job, friends. What's going to be tomorrow? That's a hard one. Going forward. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Great job, friends. Did you boogie on down with me? Yeah, you did. You came down to the ground with me. Well, we are on a new day, of course. Today is not the 1st anymore. We are on the 2nd of December. So, 2, dos, du. However you say 2. There are 2 in the ones column. Well, I have only 1. He's lonely. Help, I'm lonely. I need my friend number 2. So we're going to get another straw and put it in. Now I have 2 in the ones column. And how many 10s? 3. Wow. We're getting far, aren't we? You guys are going to be excellent counters when you get done, right? With school, you can be excellent counters. Let's move over to the circle time center. Why is Wednesday there? That was so yesterday. Today is what? We go from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday, December what? Is it Thursday, December 1st or Thursday, December 2nd? It's the 2nd. You're so smart. Yesterday we got rid of that. Bye-bye. Thursday, December 2nd, 2021. Well, Our letter is still C. We have cake and cup as our words. I found something else that began with letter C. I don't know if you looked around your house, but I have. You see this? It is a canister, which also happens to have a lid that is a circle, and it is in the shape of the 3D shape is called a cylinder. All of those begins with C. Now I know we said C makes the k sound, but in our language, C makes two different sounds. Oh my goodness, you say. Yes. C can make the hard C sound, which is what it usually does. K, 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 like for cup and cake and can or canister. But it can also make a S sound, kind of like the letter S, which is very confusing when you're learning how to spell for the first time. So circle and cylinder both begin with C as well. So I thought this was a triple threat. And also, it's called, there's a C word on here, crunch. I love to crunch. Crunch, 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 crunch. Okay, so I have my C. Do you find something with a C in your house? Oh, look at that. Look at what you brought. You found some cookies. Can I have a bite? I like cookies, especially if they're chocolate chip. Ooh, thank you. Thank you for sharing. All right, well, I wanted to do something that begins with C. Something that begins with C. Something that begins with C. What am I doing? I'm clapping. Clapping. Well, we got to get up and move. We've been sitting here so long. Let's get up and move. If you're watching and you see me go like this. If you're watching and you see me go like this. If you're watching what I do, then you can do it too. If you're watching and you see me go like this. If you're watching and you see me go like this. If you're watching and you see me go like this. If you're watching what I do, then you can do it too. If you're watching and you see me go like this. If you're watching and you see me go like this. If you're watching and you see me go like this. If you're watching what I do, then you can do it too. If you're watching and you see me go like this. Now you pick what we do. How can we clap? Clapping is great. It gets out some energy, it makes fun sounds, and it begins with the letter C. How can we clap? Ooh, I like that one. Clap behind your back. That's hard to do. Let's try that. We're going to follow David. Here we go. If you're watching and you see me go like this. If you're watching and you see me go like this. If you're watching what I do, then you can do it too. If you're watching and you see me go like this. Nice job, friends. Hi, friends. Real quick, I just wanted to hop on here and show you that you can practice writing without actually picking up a pencil. You know, some of us are not ready to learn the proper way to hold a pencil yet, but we could still learn our letters. So if you just put some paint in one of these zippered bags, and then you can take your finger, your pointer finger, hello, and press down against the table and make the shape of the letter. Oops, guess I should hold that. And there we go. There's the letter C. And what's nice about this, it's kind of like that old game Etch-a-Sketch where you just go like this, or you shake it, and the letter disappears. So you can practice over and over again, no matter how many times you need to. So I'm going to hold it down, and I'm going to wee. A C is almost like an oval, but you don't close it, right? You stop, you leave a little bit of space. Let's practice that again. Here we go. I'm going to start at the top. I'm going to curve around to the left. I'm going to go all the way around, whee, and come back up. But do I close it? Nope, nope, nope. And there I have my letter C. What's nice is capital C and lowercase c are exactly the same, only one's bigger and one's smaller. We can make a little c, a lowercase c. See? Same way. and a capital C. Whee! Isn't that fun? And you can make your bag any color you want. You could put glitter in there, make it festive, use your favorite colors, and just practice, practice, practice. You could do this with any letter. You could do it with any shape. We could make our triangle, which is our shape of the month. Let's try that. We start at the top. We slide down to the left. We slide down to the right. And connect at the bottom. Whee! Okay, and there you have your triangle. You could write your name, all kinds of things. It's very simple and easy to do. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And subscribe, of course, if you're not already. We love to have new people join us all the time. See you next week for Circle Time with Mimi.